So student, let us see our next question, okay, of exercise 3.3. This is the fourth part, okay, and we are doing question number 1, okay. So we are continuing our video with this fourth part of question number 1. Now we have to solve this with method of substitution again, okay. So what is given, let us see. 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3, okay, and second equation is what, 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. So consider this as your first equation and consider this as your second equation, right students? Now see, equation 1 can be rewritten as, आप equation 1 को और कैसे लिख सकते हो? Equation 1 can be rewritten as, why we are rewriting it? Because हम ये यहाँ पे ये जो डेसिमल फॉर्म है, ओके, सो वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस डेसिमल फॉर्म इनटू नॉर्मल फॉर्म, राइट? सो 0.2x कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, 2/10x लिख सकते हैं, प्लस 0.3y कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, 3/10y equals to 1.3 can be written as what, 13/10. Okay, now you can multiply both sides by 10, so these 10 gets cancelled. So what we will do, multiply both sides by 10, so you will get what, you will get 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Is that clear? Okay, so this is your first equation. Why this is first equation? Because we are rewriting this equation. Okay, so अगर हम क्योंकि उसको rewrite कर रहे हैं, so हम इसी को first equation भी बोल सकते हैं. Similarly rewriting second equation, okay, we are rewriting our second equation. So what is our second equation? 0.4x. So 0.4x can be rewritten as what, 4/10x plus 0.5y can be written as 5/10y equals to 2.3 can be written as 23/10. Okay, so again we are doing same thing, multiply both sides by 10, multiplying both sides by 10. So जब आप इसको 10 से multiply करोगे दोनों sides, so you will get 4x plus 5y equals to 23, and this is your second equation. Okay, so this means what, we are having two equations, 2x plus 3y equals to 13 and 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Okay students, this is your first equation and this is your second equation. Now what we will do, now further हम आगे क्या कर सकते हैं, let us see. Now see, from this first equation I can take value of x और value of y, आप कोई भी वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस, मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ कि वैल्यू ऑफ y निकाल लेता हूँ. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 आई एम गेटिंग व्हाट, 3y equals to 13 minus 2x कर सकते हैं. I have shifted or transposed 2x from left hand side to right hand side. So y equals to what, 13 minus 2x upon 3 लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now what I will do, जैसे हमने पिछले वीडियोस में किया है, पिछली क्लासेस में किया है, पिछले सम्स में किया है, putting value of y equals to 13 minus 2x upon 3 in equation number first, okay, in equation number second, sorry, हम किस में रख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, सेकेंड में. y सेकेंड में, फर्स्ट में क्यों नहीं रख रहे हैं? बिकॉज फर्स्ट से ही तो हमने y की वैल्यू निकाली थी. ओके, सो इफ़ यू पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y इन इक्वेशन 1 itself, then आपको वही इक्वेशन वापस मिल जाएगी. सो वी आर पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y in equation 2. So what we will get? We will get 4x plus 5. Now instead of y I am putting what, 13 minus 2x upon 3. Is that clear? Is equals to 23. Now what we will do, आगे क्या आ जाएगा? This will be 4x plus, now you have to multiply this, so 5 will be multiplied with 13 minus 2x upon होल अपॉन यहाँ पे आएगा 3 is equals to 23. Is that clear students? Now we will multiply 4 by 3 है ना, so it will be equals to what, 12x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x whole upon 3 equals to 23. So it will become what, 12x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x upon 3 equals to 23. Is that clear? तो यहाँ पे ये आ जाएगा हमारा ये मल्टीप्लाई करने पे. नाउ वी कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3 विथ 23. ओके, सो लेट अस सी आगे क्या आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, नाउ 12x प्लस 5 इंटू 13 माइनस 2x is equals to what, 23 into 3. So it will become what, 69. Is that clear? If you multiply 3 with 23, so 3 23s are what, 69. Is that clear, students? Now we will multiply this. So this implies 12x plus, now 5 3s are what, 65. Is that clear? Minus 5 2s are 10 equals to 69. So this means what, 12x minus 10x will be equals to what, 2x is equals to 69 minus 65. So this implies 2x is equals to 4 or x equals to 4 upon 2. This means x equals to what, 2. So you are getting x as what, 2. Is that clear? Now we will substitute the value of x in any one of this equation. You can put in these equations also, you will get the same answer. Okay, मैं अभी के लिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट कर दे रहा हूँ इस वाली इक्वेशन में. ओके, सो पुटिंग x equals to 2 in equation 1, what we will get, now see मैं यहाँ पे substitute कर रहा हूँ. So we will get 2 into x. Now in place of x I will write what, 2. Okay, so 2 into x plus 3y is equals to 13. This means 4 plus 3y is equals to 13, or 3y equals to 13 minus 4. This implies 3y equals to 13 minus 4 will be what, 9. This means y equals to 9 upon 3. Finally you will get what, since 3 3s are 9, therefore y is equals to what, 3. Is that clear? Therefore you are getting answer as x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. This is your required answer. So student, I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा sum. Okay, so in next video we will move on to our part 5. Thank you.